G'day cocktail lovers, I hope you've been keeping well. Welcome! It's the end of Brazilian week and I still haven't waxed anything. That's just something I feel like sharing with you. But what I'm going to share with you is another cachaça recipe for a cocktail. This week I chose to feature cachaça. Monday was Brazil's National Day and I'm sure they party all week and they declare Sunday to be Cachaça Day. And so I've been featuring some less common cachaça cocktails to show the diversity. And so if you've never tried cachaça, maybe this will be the motivation you need to see that it actually works with a lot of different mixes to make some really interesting cocktails. And tonight I'm going to make a cocktail called the Orinoco. Rather obviously, front and center is the cachaça, and in this case we're using 2 ounces, 60 mils of cachaça going in. This cocktail also features 45 mils of apple juice. We're also going to add 10 mils of fino sherry. And we're also adding white creme de cacao, just a 1/4 ounce, 7.5 mils. Finally, we're adding 1/3 ounce, 10 mils of sugar syrup. And we're going to shake this for 15-20 seconds till it's good and cold. Finally, going to strain this into a chilled coupe glass that's been waiting patiently in the freezer for its moment of glory. And there we have the Orinoco. It's got the very light aroma that's really typical of a drink that's got cachaça in it. Now for a taste test. Oh wow, it's interesting. Only 10 mils of the creme de cacao, but it can taste the chocolate element in here. Nice fruity aspect from the apple juice, and the cachaça plays really nicely with these really diverse ingredients. I've really enjoyed making all these cachaça cocktails this week. Like I said at the start, the caipirinha is the standard drink when people think of Brazil and cachaça, and there's a reason people think of that, because it's a really refreshing drink. But I thought I'd take the road less traveled this week and explore just how diverse cachaça is as an ingredient, and you can match it with a really quite big range of ingredients. And a cocktail for all occasions. This again, the chocolate flavor, this is a really desserty cocktail, very light and fresh, and a nice desserty feel to it. Good way to round out a Brazilian week. I hope you've enjoyed these recipes. Maybe it's motivated you to try some cachaça. I'd love to hear from you if there's a particular cachaça beverage that you favour. And I'd like to see you again soon. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, it'd be great if you subscribed. Hit the notification bell so you know when I've uploaded a video. Tell your friends, tell them to join the journey. I might do another themed week next week. It was cachaça this week. Who knows next week what we'll come up with, but I intend to have a bit of fun. Hope you join in and enjoy the recipes as well. I'm going to enjoy the rest of this Orinoco cocktail, leave you and say cheers.